All right, so today I'm installing this Lumary Smart Outdoor Light Bar, and I'm going to take you through every step you need to get these installed correctly. I'll go through several different ways that you can use these lights. I'll show you guys how to connect them and install them properly, and I'll also show you how to download the app and get this thing connected to your Wi-Fi so you can use the timer. I highly recommend this product. It is so easy to install. It is very DIY friendly. I'll leave a link to the Amazon link below in the comments and also in the description so you can grab these yourself. So keep watching and I'll take you through all the steps to get these set up right for you.
So here they are. This is what's in the box. So this is the user manual for the app. Do not lose that. So you get 4 of these lights and they're very convenient. They just plug right into each other with these waterproof caps. And they give you quite a bit of wire between those lights. Now you can custom fit these, but it does void the warranty. So just go ahead and plug in the power cord first to just make sure that they work. So you just plug that thing in, screw it in there, and then when you plug it in, you're going to see the lights kind of pulsing. That means that they're ready to be paired with your Lumary app, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that a little bit later in the video. So right now we're just pressing the button just to check out, all the different lighting scenes that it has, and these are really, really cool. They have tons of different options. So we went ahead and put these up first on the deck, and I just used one screw because I'm going to show you guys a bunch of different ways that you can use these lights. So this is just the first way, and then I just ran the plug all the way around the edge, and then there is just a perfect outlet there for them to plug into. Now, if you go with an option like this, you're going to want to cover those wires, and I have some awesome wire covers that I used for another outdoor lighting install, and it will go right over top of these. You can paint them to match whatever color it is that you're matching it up to, and this is what it looks like. And the white is really pretty and classy, but look at all these fun color scenes that you can do. I mean, you can do them for different holidays if you're having a party. I really like them here, but now I'm going to show you another place I put them in, like a landscaping feature, so you can just lay them in your landscaping, shine them up on like your trees or your plants. They also have, the different colors here, and you can bury those wires. And then here's one more spot I put them. This is back at my house, and I've just have it in my front garden shining up again on some plants. Really pretty. So go ahead and get your user manual out, and there's a little QR code you can scan to get the app, or you can just download it from the app store. But go ahead and open that app up and just allow the Bluetooth and location and all that stuff. And then, it popped up and it wouldn't load. So my Wi-Fi doesn't have the option to toggle back and forth between the 2.4 and the 5. So I went ahead and made a guest network and put it at the 2.4. And then I went ahead and tried it again, and it uploaded just immediately. So from here, you can go ahead and check out the scenes. So you can do the brightness from this button here, and then you can check out all the different scenes for the holidays. And then here there is a music option where you can play music and the lights will actually move along to the rhythm of the music. I'll have to check that out later. But this is the really important part. Click on the plan. Countdown is where you can just set a timer. So if you want to just set a timer on that, you can do that. Press save. But if you want to set a schedule, go ahead and click that plus button at the bottom, then select all the days that you want to do. Select the time that you want it to come on, change that to on, and then save. Press that plus button again, change the time to when you want them to turn off, choose the days again, and then when you go to the bottom, it should say off, and then you're going to go ahead and save that, and that will make your schedule. So I decided this was my favorite right here, so I'll be installing those cord covers and painting them and making another video on that. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.